Welcome to Jaipuria Bahraich,
Fastest news first
bringing you to the latest highlight
and buzzing updates from Sayyid Ahmad Jaipuria School, Bahraich. Josh Scholarship Drive successfully organized on 1st February for classes 3rd to 9th and 11th. Admissions at Sayyid Ahmad Jaipuria School, Bahraich.
14 February 2026 marked as the sacred festival of Mahashivratri, celebrating the divine union of God Shiva and Goddess Parvati.
School observed Black Day on 14th February, paying tribute to the brave martyrs of the nation.
Fest celebrated with excitement and nostalgia, followed by a heartfelt farewell ceremony for the outgoing batch.
Young athletes intensify practice sessions as the sport ground buzzes with energy ahead of upcoming competitions.